Alright, now it's the AI time, right? So we've learned about Python functions, the scope of variables, the keyword arguments, all of these things. So let's say you have a trouble in understanding the scope or global variables. Okay, so you have this code and you're trying to understand what is the purpose of this word global, when does it actually help, all of that. Okay, so all you can do is just copy this code, right? And now go to GPT here, right? And now, so you can type in something like, my trainer David has typed this code in the class. Okay, now I'm finding it difficult to understand what is happening in this code and also the use cases of this global variable. Can you help me understand? Right, so if you just put in here, now it will actually help you in detail the every line of code, as you can see from here. And then yeah, so it broke it down into all of these parts, even the function call as well. And yes, what happens if you run this code, and more details as well. Isn't this amazing? You can do it for any code snippet that I've written. You have some trouble in understanding, it gives you line by line answer. You just need some patience to read what GPT is trying to say, and then you're good to go. See you in the next module.